name is Mariana and welcome to my channel. Today I have a bit different video for you because we're going to bake, as you can see here. And we're going to bake Finnish Shrovetide Buns, Laskiaispullat in Finnish. And today is a Shrove Tuesday, 1st of March, and in Finland we have a tradition that we eat these Shrove buns and we are sledding down the hill. So for these buns you're going to need wheat flour, milk, cardamom, sugar, yeast, butter and a little bit salt. And between the buns we're going to put cream and jam. Oh, and I forgot eggs. We're going to need these as well. I have here raspberry jam, but you can use strawberry jam, whatever you like the best. And if you want to have a milk-free buns, you can use oat milk that I have here, and instead of butter use margarine and use oat whipped cream. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and actually some people like to use almond paste between the buns. And we have like two groups that are fighting that no, the almond paste is better, and the other group is like no, the jam is much better, and I definitely belong to the jam group. I like this much more. So I think we are ready to start. Yeah. Okay, so first we're going to need 2.5 deciliter milk that we will warm up until the plus 37 degrees. When the milk is warm, we will add 25 grams yeast to the warm milk. Okay, then we will add here an egg, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of cardamom. And then we also add sugar. Okay, then we will start to add wheat flour. The secret to get soft buns is that don't put too much flour, because otherwise the buns will be hard. This recipe is from my secondary school when we had cooking lessons, and I think this is the best recipe that I have used. Then we will add the butter. That should be enough soft that you can mix it easily. The dough is starting to be ready when it doesn't stick to the bowl edges anymore. Okay, now when the dough is ready, put a kitchen towel on the bowl and let the dough rise about 20 to 30 minutes when it's around double the size. Yeah. Okay, now 30 minutes has gone and the dough looks great, and then we need to knead the dough, and I will make a bar and cut same sized pieces. Then we start to roll perfectly round buns, and I have a trick for you. For this my cooking teacher showed me how to make perfectly round buns. There should be no any wrinkles anywhere. So press the dough against the table and then start rolling the bun and Lift your hand off the table slowly. Look, it's perfect. No wrinkles anywhere. Okay, then we put a kitchen towel over the buns and we will let them rise about 10 to 15 minutes. Rising the dough and the buns are very important steps, so don't miss them, because we want to have soft and tasty buns. Okay, but the 15 minutes has gone now, and yes, we are ready here. Then we will spread egg on the buns and spread nib sugar. Then we will bake the buns in oven in 225 degrees about 10 to 15 minutes. Perfect. Okay, so we can let this cool a little bit, and now we can whip the cream. You can add a little bit sugar to your cream if you would like to. Okay, we are almost ready. Now we just need to add the jam and the cream. We will cut the bun half, and Shrove buns are cut not in the middle, but a little bit above the center line, so the bun has like a nice hat. And looks very good inside as well. And I have a pro tip here, so you can make a little hole here so you can fit more jam and cream. So good. And we put the hat on like that. Look, perfect. Finally, you can add a bit powdered sugar for decoration if you like to, but not necessary. Laskiaispullat are ready.
Ooh, very nice. Actually, you're supposed to be eat it like this because it's going to be a mess if you just wrap it like this. And
How is it?
very nice. I like it. Yeah.
Delicious.
Delicious. Yeah, thank you.